What's up, cave dwellers? I am in Tennessee today, and we're actually at Robert's house, and we're going to go to Adventure Off-Road World. It's off-road park, about 45 minutes northwest of Chattanooga. You zip up I-24 and you can be there. Kind of a crummy day. I was worried they'd be closed. It rained all night, and it's been raining this morning. There's supposed to be more rain today. So I expect the trails to be complete slop, and with my open diffs front and rear, it might not get too far, but it'll be fun. So let's go check it out, and I think it's going to be a good time, and I think we'll really see why I need to go ahead and invest in differential lockers or at least limited slips. Still debating on that. But got the truck, got the day, let's go beat on it. About a 20-minute drive from Robert's place to the trail, but first we had to make one very important stop. Lunch! Our Wendy's lunch stop was just off the exit off of I-24. From there, it's just a quick drive on a couple country roads and you are at the park. I need about 15 pounds. I swear I aired these up to 25, and it's saying it's 29? Well, this is awkward. Yeah, man. Yo. Yeah, it's pretty sporty. Definitely a little sporty up here.
Help him go back as far as he safely can.
Okay.
What? Right about there. That's it. Stay as far left as you can. That's kind of, go ahead. Leave it there. Go ahead and go forward. And turn to the left just a little bit. There you go. Let's just run some edges. Okay. It's just too muddy to even like screw. You got a tree saver or anything?
Yeah, I did. Oh!
Cool runnings, man. Grip with your toes. Is it freaking big enough?
That's the biggest one they had.
I bet. Fucking long, I'm gonna have to try a different one.
After winching up, I managed to get hung up on this big rock while turning around.
Yeah, try a little bit more. Oh yeah! Alright, hold on, Eric. A little more. Turn my side. A little bit. Come on, a little more. A little more. Just keep riding that kind of angle to the left. Can. Alright, turn more. Turn on this wall. You're going to fall in a hole down here eventually. Come on with it. You're fine. You're fine. Now this is where you're probably going to start sliding. You're about to fall in a hole on your right hand side. Perfect. Those are the cars in the back. Don't worry about those. Alright, I can't see anymore. Hold on. Alright, come on. I would point it more towards me if you could. Come on, bring it. Come on, bring it. Come on, bring it. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. No, keep it. Okay. A little more. A little more. A little more. All right, start turning into it. Good. All right, straighten up a little bit. Straighten up. All right. I think the rest is too bad. No, well, keep going straight a little bit. Straight, straight. You gotta come fall. One more in the rear. Right there. You're good. You're out. Woo, don't touch the, don't grab the trees, Jared.
Why is that?
They'll piss all over you.
Oh. side. Those things really flex. Turn your wheels left. Stop. Straight back. Stop. Hard passenger and forward. You have to bump it. Stop. Hard driver and back. Keep going. Back, back, back. Keep going. Hard passenger. Turn hard passenger and forward with a little bit of speed, but you only want to go like 2 feet. You're not hung on anything. It's just that slick. Oh, stop. Oh, your differential's dragging on a huge rock. That's the problem. On a dry day, this wouldn't be a big deal. But today is not dry.
Not a good start.
What PSI are you at?
20.
Take it out. Make them flex. That's how CV joints come into the world. You're clear. That sounds terrible. Well, that's what wrap up our trip to Adventure Off-Road Park. It ended up being an awesome day. The rain scared everyone away and had to park to ourselves. If you enjoyed the video, you're still watching it, so I assume you did. Give me a little thumbs up, give me a like. Those really help me on the YouTube search algorithms, makes my videos pop up more. And think about sharing and subscribing. Until next time, don't do anything dumb without me.